From the local sports park to elite stadiums, Toro has everything you need to meet the unique irrigation needs of sports fields and ground facilities. We understand that natural fields require attention to detail and consistent care in order to achieve optimal turf health, superior playability, and efficient water use. We also understand that irrigation of synthetic turf fields is critical to player safety, surface maintenance, and long-term durability. Every field, sports complex, and recreation facility is unique. One system does not fit all. With the industry's largest selection of medium to large area sprinklers and rotors, Toro has the product to help you design a system that meets your natural or synthetic turf objectives. Sports fields and ground managers need an irrigation system that is reliable, resource efficient, and easy to maintain. So we have thoughtfully designed a product lineup that offers convenient features like on-field and perimeter installed rotor options that do not interrupt aesthetics or play, valve and head control to enable independent watering and lower installation costs using fewer components and less piping, adjustable rotation speeds to quickly cool and clean synthetic fields without interrupting play. Low maintenance, piston-driven operation provides a smooth rotation, more flow, and less pressure loss, resulting in greater coverage from a single rotor. Multiple control and monitoring options to efficiently manage a single field or multi-field sports complex. Toro offers a full line of ruggedly engineered swing joints and stainless steel enclosures to ensure seamless installation, design compatibility, and optimal overall system performance. Keep your natural and synthetic turf ready for play on game day and every day with Toro.